Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. So finally I have come up with a video for hair fall issues. You guys are been crazy about knowing about the hair fall issues and also about my hair care routine, what I do for controlling my hair fall and all of that. My inbox is filled up with the text messages about the hair fall issues that you guys are having, and you guys wanted me to make a video of that, and here I am. So if you're interested, keep watching. So guys, the first thing that you need to know is how much is too much hair fall. So there is a scientific figure of hair fall ki 100 stains per day falling is very normal. So if you go to any dermatologist, they will tell you the same about hair fall, that अगर 100 बाल आपके per day में गिर रहे हैं तो it is very normal, because there are, you will think that 100 hair it is too much falling for per day, but ऐसा होता है, there are so many miniaturized hair, there are so many thin hair in your scalp, there are so many hair which is not visible and it falls. That is actually very organically done by your body itself, because your scalp doesn't require very weak hair, so that falls down, and that is not at all working against you guys. So don't need to worry about that. There is a very psychological thing that I want to tell you, and if you compare male hair and female hair, अगर कोई मेल के हम 100 स्टेन्स रख दें यहाँ पे हेयर स्टेन्स, एंड कोई फीमेल के 100 स्टेन्स रख दें, तो ऑब्वियसली किसके ज़्यादा दिखेंगे, विजिबिलिटी किसके ज़्यादा होंगे, ऑब्वियसली द फीमेल वंस. सो दैट इज द रीजन गर्ल्स गेट मोर स्केर्ड ऑफ एंड मोर पैनिक्ड अबाउट हेयर फॉल इश्यूज एंड ऑल, एंड दे फील लाइक हम गंजे हो जाएंगे जल्दी, बट ऐसा नहीं है. जस्ट टेल मी अ लिटिल थिंग, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग. कितने प्रतिशत लोग, अगर आप अपने आसपास देख रहे हैं, कितने परसेंटेज ऑफ मेल को बॉल्डनेस प्रॉब्लम है और कितने परसेंटेज ऑफ फीमेल को बॉल्डनेस प्रॉब्लम है? It is obvious that males are having much more baldness problems. So females get scared because their hair fall is very noticeable, and it is scary sometimes because females do tie their hair. हम रबर खोलते हैं तब भी हेयर फॉल होते हैं, हम कंघी करते हैं तब भी हेयर फॉल होते हैं, हम शैम्पू करते हैं तब भी हेयर फॉल होता है. So that is very noticeable, and that is the reason girls get very scared about their hair fall issues. अब हम आते हैं जिसके इससे ज़्यादा हेयर फॉल होते हैं. So the next thing that causes hair fall is stress. This is the most important thing that you need to avoid. You need to be tension free in your life, because tension is something that can affect your whole body, your skin, your hair, your body system, everything. If you are stress free, your skin will glow, your hair will be healthy, your body system will work in a very healthy way. So that is the one thing that you need to avoid, guys. So this is the major thing that occurs for your hair fall. And the next thing that causes hair fall is dandruff. If you have dandruff, that will make your strands very weak, that will make your scalp roots very weak, and it will fall definitely. So do something about your dandruff. Do try to make it very, I will share some DIYs at the end of this video to tell you how to remove your dandruffs with those DIYs and how to make your roots very strong. So I will tell you in the end of this video, so keep watching. The next thing that I would say is your lifestyle, your sleeping cycle, and your routine of having food, and everything just matters to your hair fall and your skin as well. Because if you don't sleep 8 hours a day, your cells do not get that rest, and that is very important. Sleep cycle is very important. Also, if you're drinking enough water or not, water is so important, guys, for your stomach, for your skin, for your hair. So drink as much as you can. Also, if you can, you can add yoga into your lifestyle, because yoga is very important for your skin as well, for your hair. Yoga is something that is amazing, that will give you a mental peace, and that will give you a stress-free life. Automatically makes everything good, everything healthy. So if you can, do add yoga to your lifestyle. And the last thing that causes hair fall is the chemicals that you use, the artificial chemicals that you use in form of shampoos, in form of the oils that you use, in form of anything, the hair color. If you do any hair color, you use something, and that is really not good for your hair. Also the spa creams and so many chemical things that you guys use in extras, so that is not at all required for your hair, because your hair needs to be nourished and taken care of very naturally. So do not use any artificial chemicals, guys. So guys, finally I'm going to share some DIYs with you guys, which will be very helpful for you. You can use this DIYs once in a week, and that will naturally, give you a healthy hair. So the first DIY that I'm going to share is my most favorite. I love it and I use it often. So take 2 spoons of methi, which is also called fenugreek seeds, and 2 spoons of curd, and mix them and use it before you wash your hair. So what are the advantages of fenugreek seeds are the dry hair that you have. It helps to nourish those hair, and also it helps to remove dandruff from your hair. It also helps to make your roots very strong. So methi is a really very important ingredient for your hair, and curd, we guys know that curd is so useful for your skin, hair and everything. So mix these 2 ingredients and use it once in a week. I think that is gonna give you some healthy hair. So the next DIY that I'm going to share with you guys is especially for those hair fall babies who are very scared and panicked about their hair fall. So take 2 spoons of amla and 2 spoons of lemon juice, make a paste of it and use it only in your scalp, and keep it for 10 to 20 minutes and then wash off. So both the ingredients, amla and lemon juice, is having vitamin C in it, which helps to strengthen your follicles, your hair follicles, and which will prevent you from hair loss. So this is a very important DIY for those who are having hair fall. Do try it out at least for 2 months continuously, because when we use 1 week and we are expecting कि next week में हम लोग का hair fall कम हो जाएगा, ऐसा नहीं होता है. You have to use it consistently. So do use it. You will see there will be a difference eventually. So the next ingredient that I'm going to talk about is not a DIY, just an ingredient which is a magic ingredient, guys. If you have aloe vera plant in your home, that is awesome. You can use that aloe vera gel. You can extract that aloe vera gel and make a paste of it just like that. Do not mix anything and use it in your scalp. If you don't have aloe vera plant, you can manage it. I think it is probably available in everywhere, I guess. So guys, aloe vera has so many benefits. It works like a magic, I'm telling you. It strengthens your hair. It also makes your hair thick and very healthy. It also makes your hair very bouncy. And also this is used as a conditioner also. You can use it as a conditioner because it gives you very soft and smooth and very shiny hair. So it is really very beneficial for your hair. If you use it twice a week or thrice a week, your hair won't mind it, because this is really very healthy and one of the ingredients that is very compulsory if you want healthy hair. So the next DIY that I'm going to share with you guys will take a little bit of time to make that DIY, but is very effective. So what you need to do is you need to roast the curry leaves first, and then in the same pan, whatever you are using to roast those curry leaves, pour the coconut oil. You can use any coconut oil. You can use the parachute coconut oil, and boil it until it becomes black and those flavor of curry leaves come into the oil, and then strain it with a strainer and you get that oil. Do apply that oil before doing shampoo. So curry leaves again strengthens your hair, which is very beneficial for those who are having hair fall issues, and also the oil will reduce your dandruff. So that is also beneficial for the dandruff people who are having excessive dandruff. So when you apply this oil, apply it at least for an hour, and also if you apply it overnight, that will be more beneficial for your hair. Do whatever you feel like is comfortable, but when you do it overnight, do use a hair cap or use a rough towel to cover your pillow so that you don't stain it. So guys, shooting this video, I did not realize that this is becoming a long video. video. That is the reason I will cut this video here and I will post my hair care routine video in part 2, which will come after a day or 2 days. So guys, if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up and also do subscribe guys. I want your subscription very badly. Also do hit that notification bell so that if I post my hair care routine video, you are the first one to get the notification. And also do comment if you have any queries to ask. So that's it guys, bye, love you guys.